welcome back to my channel. Thank you Wig Studio One for providing me this cute piece to do a review on. They also offer a support group. It is called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group, and we would love to have y'all there. It is private and discreet, so nobody will see or know, and there's about over 6,400 women at this time in the group. If you want to see more videos about different wigs or tips and tricks, like and subscribe and hit the notification button. That way you'll be notified. Okay, here she is in Mulberry Brown, and she's described as a dark chocolate and dark auburn blend with a rusty auburn undertone. And I'll take y'all outside to go see what she looks like. Let's look at Zion's cap construction. She's open wefted, so a lot of ladies feel that that is cooler because the wefts are open and you can get some airflow. She is a center part, center mono, so it looks like scalp in the middle. But she does have this lace front, and you might be able to manipulate it. I haven't tried. We'll try during this video and see how it goes. She has felt on the ear tabs, and they're very thin, so if you're wearing glasses, and there is a metal stay, but it's very thin. She has a little bit of an extended nape and bra sliding adjusters. The nape is a good size to apply tape, and I'm not feeling any metal stays in here, so you might need to apply just a little bit of tape just for extra security. You could probably make her big. Put some Peace Out cream, Jon Renau Peace Out cream in here, and wash her and hang her to dry. She's really trendy, and if you're into a center part and light off the neck, this might be your piece. She does have permatease around here. A little bit around here, but more around here, and you can see how it comes out. I love this color. Here is her lace front. I'm trying to see if I can make it look kind of like a left part. You can. Okay guys, I'm trying to get this color. It is cloudy, but this is her color. You'll see. It's just a gorgeous color. Chocolate, auburn, and then you've got some rusty red undertones. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the review. Like and subscribe. Bye!